Hi everyone, my name's Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. We're an RV dealer that sells the top brands in the industry nationwide. And how we do that is we have a great selection of RVs in stock. And again, they're the top brands in the industry. They're the ones that are really attractive for many different reasons. And that's one reason why I do these videos, to show you what the new features are, what the new benefits are, and the great deals out there right now here at Paul Sherry's. We're a really large RV dealer, so we buy RVs in large quantities, and therefore we're able to buy them at a better price than a lot of your local and national dealers because of the deals that we get. And what we do here at the dealership is we pass those savings that we get on to you, our customers, and that's how we get customers traveling hundreds of miles to do business here at Paul Sherry's, passing many dealers that sell the same product because of our pricing is really great, our reputation. If you want to know more about that, don't take my word for it, just go to Google and type in Paul Sherry RVs and there you'll find us. So behind me here is a Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf 23 RD. This is a half-ton towable travel trailer, and it's actually mimicked after a Gray Wolf floor plan, the 23 MK Gray Wolf, which has been one of the top-selling Gray Wolf floor plans, and they've added it to this Alpha Wolf lineup, and I'm excited to show that to you today. So this travel trailer is half-ton towable. It's perfect for two people with maybe some grandkids or some guests that come every now and then. And also it weighs under 5,500 pounds. So the Alpha Wolf comes standard with a 3/4 front cap. And what I mean by that, the top 3/4 of this front end here is a solid fiberglass piece. Similar to how a boat hull would be made is how this front end of this travel trailer is made. It also comes with these nice docking lights. Those are blue LED lights. What I like about them is they're actually functional. They will light up this area on a dark night or maybe early in the morning before the sun comes up. If you're hooking or unhooking, you will have some light there from those docking lights to help guide you in with your hooking and unhooking. Comes standard with a power tongue jack up front here and 2 propane LP bottles. Also here, there will be a brand new battery that we install here at the store. That's another thing that Paul Sherry RVs does that a lot of your local dealers do, but they actually charge you for it. So it's nice having that option there without getting the charge. Everyone likes free stuff. So the baggage door, I want you to pay attention here. This is different than about anything else you'll see. It's side hung, single latch door, so you can open it up just literally with one hand, and there's no trying to balancing that door on your head to keep it open. And this size of the door is a lot bigger than your typical outside front pass-through storage door. So it's a little bit bigger, so you're going to be able to fit your bigger chairs and objects in this compartment here. Also, there's 2 lights in this compartment. Typically, I only see 1 in this type of trailer, so it's nice having 2 so you can get lights on both sides of this compartment. It's finished out with an easy-to-clean linoleum, and the walls are also finished out nicely. Coming on down here, we have the hookup station here for water and cable television. This also comes standard with a black tank flush. That's your toilet tank, so you'll be able to clean that out nicely. The Alpha Wolf does come with a superior insulation package, and one part of that is the insulated undercarriage that we're looking at here. One thing I always like to point out for customers who are looking to camp a little bit earlier in the spring and a little bit later in the fall when temperatures could get below freezing is to make sure that the underbelly is insulated. Oh, sorry about that. My camera has lost power. Let me get it back on. Okay, we're up. Sorry about that. So the underbelly is insulated, as you can see, and the gate valves there are actually in the insulated area, which is what you want. You don't want your gate valves outside where they can freeze. Super slide here. Onto the rear of the trailer. Does have the spare tire and the rack. So the rack is going to be able to hold a lot of different objects. I've seen customers put bicycles on there. I've seen customers put totes of different kinds of stuff filled in there. Great spot for a generator if you're going to bring one of those. So just a little bit of extra storage. That is an option on these Alpha Wolves, and it's a nice option to have. Coming on to the side of the trailer, has a power awning, an LED light strip. Also comes with outside speakers and a television hookup, as you can see there. Jumping up inside of the trailer, has 3 entry steps to get in. It is the More Ride entry step with a friction hinge door. Start in the rear of the trailer, has the couch back here. Now that couch is a trifold sleeper sofa. I've shown that before in my videos. That comes out to a really nice, comfortable sleeping area, about the size of a queen bed. Also notice the window treatments are very well done, and notice the size and the amount of windows. This comes with a freestanding dinette, which is going to give you a little bit more room than your typical booth dinette. And right beside that is a spot for your television. So same mount that we saw outside is inside. I'd say you can fit a 40-inch TV on this wall, and then all the appropriate hookups are going to be behind the wall through that hole. It does come with the Furrion radio. This is a CD and DVD player as well, and it does Bluetooth, and it has a USB port and an auxiliary input. Down below here we've got your fireplace. This is going to be also doubled as a space heater, so in those cool mornings or cool evenings you can kick that on to kick the briskness out of the air. Through this door here we have our pantry. It's going to have a big pantry, a lot of room in there, and here's your hookups for your TV. So across from the slide out room we have our kitchen. A lot of countertop space, has the big basin stainless steel barn style sink with the sink cover over it. Has the new oven, all propane, dual mode RV refrigerator and freezer. Coming through this door here, it has the pass-through bathroom, which is my favorite type of bathroom. Coming through here, we have the big oversized shower. That's what allows you to get in this pass-through bathroom. You got a bigger floor print. You have a nice big sink, medicine cabinet, and this storage cabinet here for your extra linens. Also notice the footprint of the bathroom. There's plenty of room to be able to get changed in here. There's also plenty of room to actually use the stool, which can be an issue sometimes in tighter bathrooms. There is a pocket door separating off the master bedroom, which features a queen bed. A lot of big windows again. Wardrobes on both sides of the bed. So that completes this walkthrough of this 23MK. Sorry if the video got shaky there. My gimbal actually lost power for some reason. So I'll check that out before the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll post links below that will have our contact information, so make sure you check that out. And by all means, let's get out, let's go camping, let's have some fun, right?